Alright guys, we're back again. Today we're working on a Navien unit we installed about 3 to 4 years ago. Customer is super happy with it. No problem whatsoever. We do service it yearly, so that's why the unit is working flawlessly. The customer gave us a call because they just did the addition upstairs on the second floor and the water's taking longer than they like to. Typical with Navien units or any tankless system, especially with a combi. So we're gonna add a recirculating line. I'm going to run it across there. I'm going to strap it to that 2x4 to keep it neat. And we're going to tie it to that 3/4 PEX line we left in the ceiling when we did the plumbing to the second floor. So I didn't do everything step by step, but this is how it came out. Don't worry about the extension cord, guys. Electrician has to come and install an outlet for the pump. As you can see here, the unit is running about 1 gallon per minute. The pump is flowing 1 gallon per minute through that recirc line, so the Navien unit is turning on. Usually it takes about 0.5 gallons per minute to turn on to work pretty good. We left it at 1 to be safe. We use a Taco pump. It has 3 different speeds. We have it on the high speed, so the unit turns on. As you can see here, copper straight up to the PEX. We installed 2 check valves, one underneath the pump and then one on the cold side, so we don't get no cross contamination of water backfeeding. And we are using that smart plug, so the customer has instant hot water and it learns their pattern. If you live in North Jersey and need some plumbing work done, let us know. See you on the next one. See ya.